Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Easy Tutorials, and for those of you who are the first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. Today we'll be creating this. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to support me on Patreon. You can also get access to all my premium content. In this tutorial we'll be using the Easy Tools script, which is free to download. So let's start. Import the files you need into After Effects. You can download the project files and the templates separately. This way you will be able to create this logo reveal animation, even if you don't want to download my template. You can find both links in the description. Create a new composition and name it, Simple Logo Reveal. I'm using a Full HD 1080 pixels preset, with 30 frames per second, and 6 seconds long. Create another new composition, and name it, Circles. Use the same settings as before. Inside the Circles comp, create a new shape layer. Click on Add, and select Ellipse from the list. Click again Add, and this time select Stroke. Open the Ellipse Path 1 options, Alt-click on the size stopwatch, and write this expression. You can find all the expressions I am using in this video in the description. Click Away to save it. Open the Stroke 1 options. Alt-click on the stroke width stopwatch, and write the second expression. Click Away to save it. Those two expressions will help us automate the animation of our circles. They will automatically change the size and the stroke width depending on the index number of each shape layer. Search for Radial Wipe, and apply it to your shape layer. Change the wipe to both. Now, as you have seen in my examples, there are two versions of this animation. If you want all the circles to animate from the top side, change the start angle to 180 degrees. Else, if you want each circle to start from the opposite side, Alt-click this stopwatch, and write this expression, index multiplied by 180. Create a keyframe on transition completion, and change its value to 100%. Move 5 frames, and change the value back to 0. Reveal the keyframes, select them, and ease them. Now, select your shape layer, and duplicate it, until you get 9 copies of it. Select the top 8 of them, move 5 frames, and change their start time. Unselect the last one, move 5 frames, and change their start time again. Repeat this action until you offset all of them. Our circle animation is ready. Go back to your Simple Logo Reveal composition, and create a new black solid. Name it Background. Apply the radial ramp effect to it. Change this value to 540. This one to 3000. The ramp scatter to 250. Change this color to this shade of gray. Switch ramp shape to radial ramp. And click Swap Colors. Move to 2 seconds, and create a keyframe on the start color. Move 1 second forward, and change the color to white. Reveal the keyframes and ease them. Then open the graph editor, and change the curve like this. Bring the circle's composition into your logo reveal comp. Apply the fill effect to it, and change the fill color to a light shade of gray. Apply the Radial Wipe effect to your circles layer. Change the start angle to 180 degrees. Move to 1 second and 15 frames, and create a keyframe on transition completion. Move 20 frames forward, and change the value to 100%. Reveal the keyframes and ease them. Then open the graph editor, and change the curve like this. Search for drop shadow and apply it. Change the direction angle to 310 degrees. The distance to 10. And the softness to 25. Bring the logo into your simple logo reveal composition, and pre-compose it. Name the new composition, Logo. Move to 1 second and 15 frames, open the scale property, and create a keyframe. Move 1 second forward, and change the scale values to 120%. Select both keyframes, and ease them. Then open the graph editor, and change the curve like this. Duplicate your logo layer. Move to 1 second and 15 frames, select the bottom logo layer and split it. Select again the bottom logo layer and delete it. Change this layer name to Logo Shadow. Search for CC Radial Fast Blur, and apply it to your shadow layer. Move the center anchor point around here. Create a keyframe on amount, and change its value to 0. Then move to 5 seconds and 15 frames, and change the value to 50. Bring a new copy of your circles comp on top of your layers. Change the logo layer track matte to alpha matte. Select this 4 layers and offset them 15 frames. Create a new black solid, and name it Fader. Move to your first frame, open its opacity options, and create a keyframe. Move 15 frames forward, and change the value to 0%. Move to 5 seconds and 15 frames and create a hold keyframe. Then move to the end of your composition, and change the opacity to 100%. Bring the audio file into your logo reveal composition, and you are done. Let's check the final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create a simple logo reveal animation in After Effects. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and comment. It would be great to know your opinions on my tutorials. Also, you can make requests for new tutorials on interesting effects or animations that you would like to learn. Our circle animation is ready.